Hello everyone! This is the best place for people who like digital bullet journaling, apps and productivity stuff, without forgetting that you are a living being. And today I want to share how to create wheel of events and birthdays that you can also use for projects and other stuff. And as always, you can download it for free using link down below. But today I won't show you all stickers that I prepared for you to create some sort of surprise. All stuff that I use I will leave in description down below. Let's dive into wheel. Actually, I have always wanted something like this. First of all, we should create like a circle. Then I decided to divide it into 12 parts. I colored it as I wanted, created some sort of links to each section, and voila! This is my wheel. But the most painful part, it was like months and all of this moving around, typing this text. I saved it with white and black background, and now I can download it in my GoodNotes or Notability or other app for notes and use like a regular page. If you want some sort of stickers, let me know by leaving comments below, and you will see your stickers in the next video. Subscribe and don't miss any video, because every video contains free stickers for different types of needs. If you know someone who will benefit from this video, share it. And for those of you who want to create your own stickers very fast, I will leave a link on my video how to create your own digital stickers very fast. Overall, enjoy this video and don't forget to check other videos. for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.